Cat Stax. Let's check this thing out. First things first, the first thing I noticed is it's actually got a nice little container. But if we pull out all the cats, I'll kind of show you how it works. So obviously it comes with all these nicely little made cats, which are all very different and very fun. I enjoy all of them. But what I like to do, I've been doing this in my free time because it's just fun, but it actually has a little instruction thing, which I'll just kind of explain it right now. We'll do the number 1, and that'll be the video. Move all the cats to the side. I'll set this in here. All right, so we got to pull the cats out that we actually need. So we need this bad boy. We need this bad boy. We need this bad boy. Need this little one. And this one. So we don't need these other cats. And our goal is essentially to stack them up 1 layer, 5 cats. So let's see what we can do. Throw this guy right here. 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 And throw this guy right here. All right, so you kind of get the gist of the game. Each card, so this would be what I assume the answer is to the first one, but 1 layer, 5 cats. I did it correctly. There are a ton of these in here, and they even have the solutions in the back, so we can even see what they thought the number 1 solution was. So yeah, that's what I did. You can kind of tell. But, I mean, it gets pretty crazy. You got some crazy expert cards in here. Overall, I totally recommend Cat Stax. This is a fun way to just step away. I found to just step away from the phone. I'll just pull out one of these cards and I'll just start doing it. And I'll go down the list. How many can I do? I've actually gotten pretty good at it. It's kind of fun. Anyway, well, you know what? Actually, one other thing. Putting it away, very simple. Put the cards in the container. Get all the cats. Throw them in the container. It's very portable. As long as they're all laying down, you're set to go. Cat Stax. Totally recommend it.